Kilo November mic here, and today I wanted to do a little bit of unboxing. So I bought what I wanted a headset, and every headset I was looking at was quite expensive. You know, headsets for amateur radio are really expensive, and I didn't want to spend out huge amounts of money for a headset that I'm not sure if I'm going to get along with. So I thought if I bought a cheaper one and see what it was like, and, you know, go on from there and see if later on in time, as long as it works, that we could buy a better one, say Heil or something. So I bought myself a headset from Common. I don't know whether anyone has seen it before. Common. It's a music store. Various, you know, microphones and guitars and such, and as it happens, microphones with so headset microphones. So the headset that I've got it's an XLR plug, because it integrates them with the rest of my stuff. I have it goes into a mixer, limiter, compressor, you know, graphic equalizer and whatnot. So I wanted something, you know, I wanted something cheap, you know, to test out. So I thought we'd get, you know, an unbox. Let me do this. This isn't really going to show much here, is it? But we shall have a little look. So I'm going to try and get this off, because what I want to do, I want to use this. I've got a contest later on, so I want to use this in the contest and see how it, you know, how it goes. Normally I use a boom microphone, Behringer, just a cheapie, but it sounds good going through all the audio equipment. And if I can just open this up, quite well sealed up, I'll put that down there for the moment. So we have, if we put it, I don't know whether you can see it in that corner, but put it up here. It's a dynamic headset, HMD-660 from Superlux. It's got a XLR. Oh, it comes in a nice little case. I wasn't expecting that. So we've got the outer box, and then in it we have a manual, and there is a carry case. Look at that, nice little carry case. And inside here, pull one up, pull the other one up, and inside here is the headset. But now, I like the box. I like that it comes in a box, in a rigid plastic box. So in here we have the wires untangled. Quite a long bit of lead, as you can see. It's quite a bit of long bit of lead. So in here we have, get it around here, XLR. If you can see it in the top left hand corner, it's got an XLR plug and a 3/4. Well, it's actually a one. Yeah, there we go. So that's pretty cool. So it's a mini jack, 3.5mm to 1/4" jack, but the 1/4" jack is actually a screw-on, which is pretty cool. I like that. So hopefully we can get this integrated into our system. They were 150 ohms, 250 ohms, something like that. I can't remember what it is now. The microphone is not adjustable here, but it's on a flexible boom. Yeah, it's not flexible, and then it fits comfortably over the ears, just like that. I want to get it wired up so we can have a little demonstration and see on audio side, see what it sounds like. So I'm gonna get this hooked up, and we're gonna have a little listen to it and see what it sounds like. Right, so we got it connected. It's just a quick push on, because like I said, I've got a contest, so I'm hoping to get it connected and such for that, but I think I'm gonna have to refine it and all the settings and such, but we'll have a little go. It's not too bad for the amount I paid for it. It was £38, something like that, and then there was $8.99 or something on the shipping. So I don't know, we'll have a little listen.
So this is the
the microphone. It's it's not brilliant, but it will do the job. So hopefully it'll be okay for when I'm doing the contests. So at the moment it's working okay. But if I start moving, it does make it does pick up the noises on that, or if I'm messing about with the headset, it does the microphone does pick it up. But that could be I've got settings quite high. It is going through other audio equipment, so hopefully if I can refine it a bit better, it should be okay. So I'm going to do the contest, and then we'll come back and we'll see how it went and how easy it was to use. It does feel nice on the head. It is comfortable on the ears and the head. So we shall have a look. So we'll come back right after the contest. 42, Roger. 73s and good luck. Mike 0, Kilo, November, Mexico, QZ.
5-0.
Again.
5-0.
Got a radio at the end of it. Keep on coming up and down with the QRM. Try again.
5-0. Charlie, Romeo.
Mike 0, Charlie, Zulu, radio, Roger.
Roger.
Lovely, thank you very much. Number is 51, number 5 and 1, Roger.
Thank you for the 5950.
Number 50, Roger. 73s and good luck.
Golf 4 Juliet Echo Delta.
Golf 4 Juliet.
Yes, Golf 4 Juliet Echo Delta.
Golf 4 Juliet Echo Juliet, was that?
Negative Golf 4 Juliet Echo Delta.
Delta, Juliet Echo Delta. Number 52, Roger.
QFL 5952, Delta, you are fine.
Negative on the number, try again.
Yes, 09696.
Roger on the 96. Thank you very much. Good luck, 73s.
Golf 4 Echo Foxtrot.
Golf 4 Echo Foxtrot Tango, Roger.
Roger.
Number 53, number 5 and 3, Roger.
Roger, you're 59083, 83, alright?
Roger on the 83. Thank you very much. 73s and good luck.
Yeah, 73.
Mike 0, Kilo, November, Mike, QRZ.
Golf 8 Fox Charlie, Quebec.
Golf 8 Fox Charlie, Quebec, is that right?
Roger.
It says I've got a dupe. Have we worked? Roger. Mike 0, Kilo, November, Mexico, QZ. Golf 1, Papa, Radio, X-ray, Roger. Roger. Number 5 and 6, 56, Roger. Negative on the number. Got a lot of QRM. Try again, Roger. 4 and 0. Number 40, Roger.
That's correct.
Roger on the 40. Thank you very much. 73s and good luck. Mike 0, Kilo, November, Mike, QZ. It's not too bad. I think I need to sort out the audio side of it, making sure that I've got everything set up. But it's not too bad. I need to figure out because what I don't want is when I turn the headset up, I don't want it coming through the microphone. The microphone seems to be a bit sensitive, maybe, but not too sensitive for the earphones.
As we heard on the contest,
that well, you know, they do work. They're pretty good. They're not. I mean, they're not the best. They're not, you know, Heil, but they are very good for spending, you know, £35 on on a headset that makes the job a lot easier. I found the contest a lot easier to do because I wasn't messing around, you know, with a, you know, normal microphone kind of thing. It was all here. It was all able to, you know, relatively keep my hands away from, you know, away from everywhere else and keep it on the keyboard to be able to get it done. So I mean, it did the job. I quite like them. They are very comfortable on the head, so I didn't have any issues with that. I am going to be making a little, like a breakout box to try and separate the audio between the microphone and the headphones. So you know, once I'm able to, you know, build it, then you know, I'll make a little video and show whatnot. I'm not too sure whether I'm gonna make a box or I'm just gonna see if I can gut these. I mean, they're only 35 quid, but I mean, it is 35 quid. I don't know whether to gut these and separate the two wires to make because they share. I think it's they share a screen. The headphones and the microphones share a screen, I think, sorry, like an earth. So that's where, like, the feedback comes in when I turn up the headphones, and then the microphone picks the headphones up too much and makes a big thing. So we're going to try and separate the audio somehow, and make it a bit better. But apart from that, they went really well. So, you know, I think thumbs up. 35 quid. Get yourself a pair. They're Superlux HMD-660. So we just show that there. You can see that there. I'm not sure if you can see it in this light. It's not very good. But I will put the link on where I got it in the description. So if anyone wants one, they can go pick one up. I think they're abroad because I had to wait a little while. So, but they did arrive and it was well packed. Nice little carry case, as we see in you know, the beginning of the video. So yeah, thanks for watching this. If you've got this far, thank you. You know, leave us you know, a like and a follow, and let me know if you buy one and how you get on with it. So 73s. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Bye for now.